Hello YouTube, welcome to Learn SkillSync. Today I will show you how to edit a video in Canva. This video tutorial explains how to overlay to videos in Canva, including changing the timing and size of the videos, adding effects, and controlling the duration of their appearance. I will use the Canva video library. I will choose this mountain video now. Right-click with your mouse on the video and choose Set Video as Background. Now from the bottom you can control the timing of the video by dragging the rectangle with the mouse. The next step is to add the second video. You will notice that this video hitch contains a person is above the first mountain video. Now through the white dots surrounding the video you can reduce its size with the mouse. You can control the location of the video as you want. Now right-click with your mouse on the video and choose Show Timing. From the bottom a purple layer will appear for the video which you can control to determine the duration of the video's appearance. To add an effect to the video, click on the animate option at the top, then choose fade. After that choose both and then set the speed to the lowest. Now in the same way at the third video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and also follow our social media. Check the link description. See you soon the next video.